In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect Restream to OBS and go live. First of all, go to your browser and open restream.io website and sign into your account. After that, you get this dashboard. Here, click on New Stream and select Encoder RTMP option. Now, write here your streaming title. And if you want, you can write a description about your live stream. And you can select a date to start the live stream and select a time. And here we can see the thumbnail. If you want to change the thumbnail, you can just go ahead and do it from here. Then click on next. And here we have to add our social media account. So click on add channels. And if you want to go live to your YouTube, then just click on YouTube and connect your YouTube account with Restream. The same way you can connect to your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Kick, Instagram, TikTok. So go ahead and just connect to your accounts. So I've already connected my Twitch YouTube account. So I'm just turning on Twitch and my Kick account from here because I want to go live to Kick and Twitch at the same time using Restream website. And then I'm clicking on create event. Here, copy the RTMP URL. Then go back to your OBS studio and click on settings. In settings, select stream and service, select custom. Enter here the server URL, RTMP URL, and this time copy the stream key from Restream and paste here the stream key. Then click on apply and OK. And you have successfully connected your OBS with Restream. Now just click on start streaming. Once the streaming started, go back to your Restream, click on done and click on the live video. And as you can see, I've successfully started to live on my Twitch and Kick at the same time using Restream. Let's open our Twitch channel. So click on this eye icon. So I'm in my Twitch, selecting Stream Manager, and as you can see, my live video successfully started. So that's how you can actually connect our Restream with OBS to go live.